This is your little exercise in your backyard. Stick that stick in the ground. You got a little more knee flex here. Notice how you bring the club up. This is pretty much right on the proper angle because it's almost parallel.
One thing I was not doing is hitting my legs. I was saying a lot of those bad shots. I was kind of stiff. If that makes sense.
Yeah. Now here's the propensity you have. You go back nicely, but then watch how you want to go over the top of the stick there.
Yeah.
You still got a good result. No, that was the one you hit the head cover with. You see it?
I actually came back in this side of the pole.
Exactly. You came on the other side of the pole. That's right. So you went back, but you didn't drop it in. Now we go to the next one. And now look what I'm doing. I'm saying, okay, Kurt, I want you to exaggerate this loop. So we did like 5 loops. Up, drop it in. Up, drop it in. And then you brought it back. And look at that, you dropped it down. Right on line. So that's the result of you doing proper practice. But you got to ingrain that feeling and you got to exaggerate it. So the key there is exaggerate this vertical. Look at this. Now that's not even vertical enough. That angle right there is 47. I'd like that angle to be around 70 or 66 on the backswing. And then coming down, it doesn't change directions and flatten out like it should. Look at these practice swings I'm doing. Here, see how steep that is?
Yeah.
And see how we drop it in? Now the key to dropping it in is feeling that the right palm is working skyward. Like you throw a baseball.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how you shallow it out. Look, when you throw a baseball, what does your hand do? It goes like that. So the right palm works up.
So when I'm at my top,
Drop
when
that.
I drop it, I'm turning.
Yeah, that's how you shallow out. Yeah.
Use the other.
You're doing the other. See, you're doing that. You're doing the opposite. When you go back and when you start down, Kurt, your right hand goes like this. But look, how can you to shallow out the plane angle, you got to get the right hand to work under. That works the right elbow under. And that gets you shallow out. See?
Come up here. Go.
So if we analyze this when we were doing these practice swings, here's what we're doing. Watch, you go up and then the right palm works under, and that's what shallows out the plane angle.